Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So today we're just doing a quick video on a Suburban water heater, and what I wanted to show you is customer who wasn't maintaining the water heater. They ended up getting pests and bugs, mud daubers and nests back inside the burner tube and in the actual chamber. So when that happened, as you can see here, this backburned and caused the heating element cover to melt. It also caused the ECOT stack cover to melt as well. So there's another important reason why, if you're looking at your water heater and it looks like this, and you don't have a bug screen on there, we recommend that you buy one. That'll protect them from getting in here and nesting inside here and inside the burners. Regardless whether you have that bug screen cover on there or not, you know, the added mesh ones that are spring clipped onto it, it's always a good idea to get in here and brush out the burner tube, blow it out, take this assembly apart, clean the electrode, clean the actual burner plate and the cup, make sure that the exhaust vent doesn't have anything in it, you know, verify that you don't have any propane leaks and that there's nothing else going on, you know. So anyway, stay tuned for more, and this is just a quick update to show you, you know, if you don't maintain this, stuff like this can happen where it actually burn this cover and burn this cover. All right, thanks again for watching.